Today, I'm going to show you how to edit a listing in your Etsy shop and also how to edit your photos as well. I get that question all the time, so I'm going to show you step by step. Here we are in my dashboard, and I'm going to go to listings. Then here's all of my active listings here. I'm going to go to this $5 savings challenge because I did see earlier that there is a way to improve it, and it's saying add more photos. So this is a perfect opportunity. So what I'm going to do is hover over this one, and then I'm going to hit the gear icon, and I can edit. Now here we can edit the title, we can do the photos. I'm going to come back to that in a second. We can change the PDF. So if you want to update your listing by the actual deliverable item that you have, whether it be a PDF, an Excel file, anything like that, you can always change it. It's not set in stone, which is amazing. We can also add more files. We can do that here as well. We can change the description, anything like that. One question that I get asked a lot is how to bold items or make something italicized. Unfortunately, you can't do that in Etsy. You can add emojis, but not make anything bolded or italicized. So keep in mind that. Then we can also add personalization. We can change the price, the quantity, the variations, the category. We can change that here. Anything that you would do when you are uploading your item, you can do it here in the edit feature. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here, and here is my image and thumbnail. I only have one image. So there's two different ways that I can add this. I'm going to do this. You can't see it because it's off screen, but I can just drag and drop in a photo here. Or what I can do is I can click, and then it's going to bring up my downloads folder here as well. And I can just add it with my downloads. Now, if you want to change the order, you can just drag them and move them around. So now this one is going to be the main profile picture. Whatever one is here in the left, that's going to be the thumbnail. But say I have multiple ones and I want to change the order, I can just drag them around, which is really cool. The video will always be the second image if you do have a video, but other than that, you can totally change the order just by dragging them around. And then I can also adjust the thumbnail. Now, when I create my thumbnails, I have them in this rectangle, but I want to make sure that any prominent information is within a square. So this is a little bit cut off, but that's fine. But you can still see $5 savings challenge printable and the images here of what it's going to look like. Depending on the device that someone's looking at or where they're looking at your listing, whether it be on the home page, your profile, a search, depends on what's being shown to them. And Etsy is constantly changing this. Sometimes they're showing the 4x3 landscape. Sometimes they're showing square. So it all depends on where they're viewing it. So I want to make sure that in a square, they can always view it. And I can also adjust this as well, move it from side to side, but I want to make sure it is right there. I can also zoom in, but I don't want to zoom in on mine. And then I'm going to hit apply. Now I want to come down here a little bit. You can preview your listing as well, which is really cool. And then I'm going to hit publish changes. And it says that my listing has been updated. Here's my listing here. And I'm going to click this and view on Etsy. And this is what it looks like. So now you can see both images here. And here is my listing. And then I also have the reviews under here as well. But that is how you update a listing on Etsy. In the description, there's a link to this free ebook. It's going to explain why seasonal printables are the best on Etsy, give you all of the seasonal products that sell, and tools that are going to help you pick the best products. It is a very in-depth ebook, 23 pages, so many amazing ideas that's really going to help you step up your game with selling printables on Etsy. Even if you don't want to sell seasonal products, it's still really, really helpful in helping you to figure out how to market your products, how to find keywords, how to find tags, how to rank in search. It is so helpful and a really, really great ebook. So it'll be linked down below in the description, completely free. Now, if you want to see how you can increase your sales and send automatic messages when anyone has an item in their cart but they didn't check out, here's how you set that up so it automatically sends them an email to come back and buy that item.